Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have a nice problem as we have given arithmetic progression is. First term is 3 to the power 2 sin 2x minus 1. Second term is 14 and third term is 3 to the power 4 minus 2 sin 2x. So we have to find out sixth term of the series, right? So let's start. As we know, standard arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D. Okay. So let's start. Now 2 into 14 is equal to this plus this term, right? 3 to the power 2 sin 2x minus 1 plus 3 to the power 4 minus 2 sin 2x, right? Because double of this is equal to this plus this. Fine. Now 28 is equal to, if we break this as 3 to the power 2 sin 2x over this 3 to the power minus 1 here as 3, right? Plus same way, if we break this as 3 to the power 4 over 3 to the power 2 sin 2x, right? Let 3 to the power 2 sin 2x is equal to t, right? So this equation will transform as 28 is equal to this as t over 3 plus the 3 to the power 4 81 over this as t, right? Now 28 is equal to LCM as 3t, so t square plus 243, right? Now t square minus 84t, this into this, plus 243 is equal to 0, right? So t square minus, if we break this as 81t minus 3t plus 243 is equal to 0. Nice. Now t as common, so t minus 81 minus here 3 as common, so t minus 81 is equal to 0, right? So now we have two cases, t minus 3 is equal to 0 and t minus 81 is equal to 0, right? So t is equal to 3. T, as we have assumed, 3 to the power 2 sin 2x is equal to 3 to the power 1, right? So same base, 2 sin 2x is equal to 1, right? So sin 2x is equal to half, right? If we go with this, t is equal to 81, so 3 to the power t, as we have assumed, 2 sin 2x is equal to 81 as 3 to the power 4. Fine. So 2 sine 2x is equal to 4, right? So sine 2x will be equal to 2. This is unacceptable, right? Because sine 2x belongs to -1 to +1, right? So we will go with this, right? Now h, we have arithmetic progression 3 to the power 2 sine 2x minus 1, and second term as 14 and third term as 3 to the power 4 minus 2 sine 2x, right? H sine 2x is equal to half, right? So this arithmetic progression will change as 3 to the power 2 sine 2x is half, right, minus 1, and second term 14, third term 3 to the power 4 minus 2 sine 2x, again half, right? So here we get a arithmetic series or progression as 1, 14 and 27, right? So sixth term of the series is a plus n minus 1 d, right? So here a is 1 plus n minus 1, 6 minus 1, and d, here d is equal to 13, right? Here also 13, right? So here 13. So sixth term will be 66. Okay friends, thank you.